In today's video, we're going to find out how you can profit from Bitcoin, which is trading within this major range, because yes, we're still under the 23.6 on the daily chart, exactly here, and above the 38.2 exactly within this level. So yes, ultimately Bitcoin is trading within this small range, but we can also see we have this major range from the swing high and also the swing low, which was the golden pocket exactly here. And if you've been watching my previous video, then you know that this is my absolute bearish case. And yes, we could even expect this breakout from the small little range and come all the way back up into this major resistance. But we're going to look at Bitcoin on the lower time frames to find out what we could expect. But we're also going to look at Solana, which is also at a very important level. Yes, also within a major resistance zone at a major support that we could expect that we're going to break the $200 level. But guys, if you want to trade all of these moves, go down in the video description below, because yes, in my signal group, we traded all of these moves. We opened a trade on Solana, which is already up 38%, and also on Bitcoin, which is up 39%. We opened the trade exactly here when we saw this breakout from this W and this perfect retest. And if you want to join my signal group, guys, go down in the video description below and sign up to my free Telegram group where you'll find all the information. And yes, I also updated you where we bounced off perfectly from this trend line on the 4-hour chart, and I told you that yes, if we're going to hold the 61.8 and also this major trend line on the 4-hour chart, that we could expect this pump all the way up to the 23.6, and exactly that happened, guys. We came all the way up from this touch point exactly here where I gave you the update, because it's clear if we're going to zoom in, we perfectly bounced off once again from the 61.8, which is exactly the level of $66,300, and also this major confluence of this upward sloping trend. So first of all, guys, this was a perfect breakout trade exactly from these levels. But what are we going to expect in the immediate short term? First of all, Bitcoin needs to break the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, this major resistance zone. Then we could expect that Bitcoin is going to come all the way back up to this major resistance where we had this triple top exactly here, and also this downward sloping trend. So this would be around about the levels of $70,500. So ultimately, guys, if we're going to break the $70,000 and if we're going to hold this level as support, I could expect this pump all the way up, yes, even all the way to the previous all-time high, which is round about the levels of $73,000. But if we're going to come all the way back down, all the way to this small range exactly here, and break this trend line towards the downside, we could expect this dump, first of all with the price target being the 50 moving average, this blue line exactly here, and also the $63,000 and the confluence with this upward sloping trend. But yes, my ultimate bearish case is going to be the $61,000, this range where we can see the golden pocket from this daily range, because yes, we can see a lot of confluence that the price movement of Bitcoin likes to retrace all the way back down to the 61.8. We can see it on the daily chart, and also from this breakout point from the low exactly here all the way up to the swing high. We can see on the Fibonacci retracement level, we came all the way back down to the 61.8 and closed this 4-hour candle perfectly within the golden ratio, exactly this major breakout point from this W that we have formed. So ultimately, guys, I could expect that this bullish trend is going to continue. Maybe we are going to see a small consolidation above this trend line and also this breakout point before we're going to see the next major move towards the upside. But ultimately, guys, if we go on the weekly chart, this is extremely bullish for the price movement of Bitcoin, because yes, we have formed the bottom, came all the way up to the previous all-time high exactly here, and now we're seeing this consolidation before the Bitcoin halving. And yes, we all know what's going to happen after the Bitcoin halving. We're going to see this parabolic run towards the upside, exactly like in the previous halving exactly here. Yes, we also saw a consolidation exactly at the time from the halving, but afterwards we saw this parabolic run, and this is also what you could expect. And yes, this means that you're still extremely early. At the moment we are seeing a small discount on all of these coins. Yes, the altcoins went down a little bit more, but overall, if we go on the yearly bubbles, we can see that Fetch is up 629% and Render close to 600%. And if we go on the weekly chart, then yes, we can see that Fetch is down 17% on all of these coins. I had a major discount. Yes, some of you might get scared when we're going to see this retracements of 17 or even 20%. within the bull market. But guys, these coins are going to move extremely quick if we're going to break out from this major range for Bitcoin and break the previous all-time high, and that we're in price discovery mode at this parabolic run, and this will be the beginning of a major bull run, so used to extremely early. So yes, if you want to trade all of these coins on the spot market or with a leverage, go down in the video description below and sign up with these links where you receive a major deposit bonus. And if you want to copy all of my trades, guys, go down in the video description below and sign up to my free Telegram group where you'll find all the instructions how to join my Signal group, because yes, we're making some massive profits. But before we're going to end this video, guys, we're going to go over to Solana, because on the weekly chart we can see that the price movement of Solana came all the way up to this major resistance point, and yes, we have reached the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which is exactly at the level of $211, and now we're seeing this consolidation. And also we're seeing that the price movement of Solana came all the way back down to this previous resistance, which will act as support, and this perfectly lines up with a 61.8. So ultimately guys, we're trading the range, we're opening this long position exactly at the bottom from this major range and this consolidation phase. So ultimately guys, we could expect that we're going to see this next major leg towards the upside, because on the 4-hour chart for Solana we can see that we came all the way back down to the 200 moving average exactly here, and we found perfect support exactly at this previous support, where we can see that the price movement perfectly held the zone. So yes, we can see that Solana is also trading within this major range, and we can use this opportunity to get in exactly here at this bounce from previous support and also the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart. And that is also exactly the reason why we opened this trade on Solana exactly here. Because yes, we can see a lot of support exactly in the range of $170, and that's why we opened this trade exactly here. And if you want to get all my signals, guys, go down in the video description below and sign up to my free Telegram group where you'll find all the information how to join my Signal group. And with that being said guys, smash up the like button and subscribe, and most importantly, be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.